Hi students! Let's walk through how to view course details in the My Courses page on your student portal. It's simple. Before we get started, let's talk about the difference between these two pages. All Courses page is where you'll find all the courses available for you to enroll in. Perfect if you're looking to add something new. On the other hand, My Courses page is where you can check out the courses you're currently enrolled in. Got it? Now let's view your course details. First, head to the navigation menu and select My Courses. This will show you all the courses you're enrolled in. Here's how to toggle between grid view and list view. You'll see a list with each course showing a thumbnail title, a brief description, and the price. Now, find the course you want to learn more about by scrolling down. You can also use the search and filter options to quickly find your course. Once you've found your course, view the details by clicking on the course image or its title. This will open a new page with more information about that course. Finally, on the course details page, you'll find everything you need to know, like instructor, session times, and pricing. Below, you can expand the drop-down for each session to view its description. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.